Hey everyone, I do like this refrigerator, but there's one thing I don't like about it. I do like this refrigerator, but there's one thing I don't like about it. You can see the fire. See? It never lands right where it's supposed to because the way it spits it out. That's the only thing I don't like now. I don't know where those cubes went. They always land on the floor, and I don't know where they went. There's two of them that came out. Well, there's one. To clean the dog's water bowl. But yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about this refrigerator. It violently shoots the cubes out. Like I said, that's the only thing I don't like about the refrigerator. Otherwise, it's a great refrigerator. I've had it for over a week now, and it's a great refrigerator otherwise, but that's the only thing I don't like is when it shoots the ice out, it shoots it out violently. And no matter what size the cup you have, it does it with every cup. I've done it with this cup, which I can actually show with this one. See? There goes one piece. And there's nothing you can do to stop it. And I've tried. I've looked on their website and they said that's the way the ice maker's made. And there's nothing that can be done. So that's the only thing I don't like about this refrigerator, is the way it shoots the ice cubes out. Otherwise, it's a great refrigerator. And as you can see, it's small ice cubes. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.